Hey, this is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the Odyssey Solo Inflatable Kayak from Jaspara. This kayak's really simple to set up. Basically, take everything out of the bag, unroll your kayak. Now, the first thing you need to do is put the valves into the inflate position. There's a stem in the middle. You pop the stem and it pops up, and that means when you take the pump off, no air will come out. All chambers are 10 psi, so it's really easy. I strongly recommend an electric pump for this one. It's just so much easier. It's a large kayak. There's a lot of air and a lot of pressure. Foot pegs are strictly speaking optional. I like to brace my feet, use my whole body, but if you don't want to do that, you can leave them out. Front and rear splash guards are actually optional as well if it's very calm, but bear in mind that any water that falls on the deck, bow, stern here, is going to end up in your kayak if you don't put those splash guards on. Now, in terms of the seat, when you first use this kayak, clip in the front straps and tighten them right up. You want your balance as far forward in the kayak as you can to get this beautiful keel here to be working to help you tracking straight. The rear straps are actually optional. You loosen them and clip them in, and then when you get in the water, that's when you can move the seat back in order to meet the foot pegs here. Pop on your valve caps. Although there's a fin, you don't actually need it. We put the fin box on so you could use it with a propeller if you want. And that's it. Away you go. Now, if you have any questions about how to set up the Odyssey Solo Inflatable Kayaks from Jaspara, please get in touch. This is Emily at Oz Inflatable Kayaks.